Did you know that 24% of homes sold in Chicago are listed as is? But here's the real question. Does selling as is actually save you money or cost you in the long run? Before you skip repairs and list your home, let's break down what you really need to know. Hi, I'm Erica McClain, a Chicago real estate expert with over 25 years of experience. Selling a home as is means you're selling it in its current condition. No repairs, no updates, just a straight up sale. Sounds easy, right? Well, not so fast. There are some big pros and cons you need to consider before making this decision. Selling as is might sound like a stress free solution, but here's the catch. Buyers may see it as a red flag. Many assume as is homes have major issues, even if they don't. You might get lower offers since buyers expect to handle repairs themselves. They often bid lower, sometimes significantly lower. Then you've got financing hurdles. Some lenders won't approve loans for homes in poor condition, meaning your buyer pool could shrink. But before you rule out selling as is, let's look at the flip side. Selling as is can work in your favor, especially in a hot market where buyers are willing to take on projects. Here are the pros and the cons. The pros: faster sale, ideal for those in a hurry. No out of pocket expenses for repairs, attracts cash buyers or investors looking for fixer uppers. The cons: it could limit the number of buyers. Offers tend to be lower than market value. Some buyers may still request inspection and try and negotiate after that. So, when does selling as is make sense? Here's what the experts say. Great option if you need to sell quickly due to financial hardship, relocation, or inheritance. It's a risky move if the home is in decent condition but just needs minor fixes. Small repairs could add big value. Best strategy if you market smartly, highlighting what works in the home rather than just focusing on its flaws. So, should you sell as is? It depends. If speed is your priority, it might be the way to go. But if you want to maximize your profits, a few strategic repairs could get you a much better deal. Have you ever sold a home as is? Drop it in the comments if you've had. I'd love to hear your experience. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos for expert real estate tips. I hope you found this one helpful, and I hope to see you in another video.